My name is Maggie Pinto, and I work on the AWS Aerospace and Satellite team here in Buenos Aires, Argentina. One of our key services, AWS Ground Station, is a fully managed service that enables you to control your satellite communications, process your data, and scale your operations without the need to create or manage your own ground station infrastructure. It is being used by companies all over the globe to do amazing things that are changing our world for the better every day. For instance, Mohammed bin Rashid Space Center, based in the United Arab Emirates, uses AWS Ground Station to downlink Earth observation data quickly, so that first responders to disaster events have the actionable information they need to help them save lives and resources. I'm here in my hometown of Buenos Aires and Barcelona to discover more about what Satellogic, a company doing work all around the world, is doing with AWS and AWS Ground Station. So Gerard, tell us a little bit more about Satellogic's history.
When we created Satellogic 10 years ago, in 2010, we were thinking on help solve the biggest challenges of the present, like food security, energy distribution, immigration, climate change, and we thought on doing it from satellites. So we sat down and started from a clean sheet of paper to redesign how to make satellites. Today, we are actually serving customers, creating a catalog of the planet, search on Earth, and we're actually doing that, helping different industries improve life on Earth. We are delivering on the promise of democratizing Earth observation data. For that, we are today vertically integrated. We do our design, engineering, manufacturing, operations. With that, we can reduce costs at every level. We had several breakthroughs and pushed the technology and shifted complexity from hardware to software and adopted very agile cycles so we can renew our technology very often. That allows us to evolve and have a constellation of satellites that can do a global remap of the world every day. And that, we believe, nobody else can do.
Gerard, why does Satellogic use AWS technology?
As we go to our goal of having 200 satellites in orbit for 2025 to take an image of the world every day, we will be downloading an immense amount of information. We believe AWS will be there with us, helping us process, store, and deliver the information everywhere in the world. But then there's AWS ground stations that gives us the possibility to have a distributed ground station network, and as the ground stations grow around the world, we will be able to benefit from it, serving our customers with lower latency, and also for the customers that are already using AWS, integrating the ground stations in the whole pipeline is important for them.
So Alan, thanks for receiving me today here at your offices.
Of course, it's a pleasure.
Why don't you tell me a little bit more about Satellogic Constellation and the solutions you're bringing to your customers?
Sure. So currently we have 17 satellites in orbit, and we're planning to grow our constellation to more than 200 satellites by 2025. Each of the satellites we have in orbit have currently a multispectral camera, hyperspectral camera, and the capability of recording full motion video. And those kinds of cameras enable our users to get different kinds of views of the Earth.
Alan, in your own words, how will the AWS Ground Station network benefit your company and scale your constellation?
The ground station as a service from AWS will allow us to use any ground station in the world without the need to deploy any hardware or install any component on the sites. And also we will be able to use any new ground station you installed immediately, basically. On top of that, being part of the AWS cloud will allow us to seamlessly transfer the data to our users and clients in a very fast way.
On the communication side, which are the main challenges that you face when incorporating new technologies such as AWS Ground Station?
It is a challenge to bring in new vendors because there are many technical validations to be done. With AWS Ground Station, actually we were able to successfully integrate and test our communications ground segment. So now Satellogic is enabled to schedule satellite contacts from more locations around the world. Expanding our network of ground stations would enable us to provide low latency delivery and thus shorten the time it takes for customers to gather their imagery.
That's great. Satellogic is innovating with AWS services along with more customers every day. Our AWS ground station site, located in Punta Arenas, Chile, continues to make latency for customers even smaller, no matter where they are in the world. AWS customers are using Earth observation data all over the world on vital biodiversity and environmental efforts, including protecting rainforest and mangrove forests, detecting forest fires, influencing agricultural yields, and protecting at-risk wildlife. AWS Ground Station can continue to take these efforts even further. At AWS, we want to bring together and democratize data to explore the unknown. Come discover with AWS Ground Station in Punta Arenas and around the world.